Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be discussing the value of artifacts like personas and journey maps. I will be answering 3 question prompts, so let's get to it. The first, the methodology question. I have a limited budget for research. Should I send a survey to 1,000 people or interview 5 people? Please explain your choice. This is the classic impasse wherein a choice must be made, quantitative or qualitative. Quantitative results tend to be less personalized than qualitative results. The decision to send a survey to 1,000 people would likely yield more quantitative results, which would be useful in identifying broader data points, such as responses to basic yes or no questions or questions which are multiple choice. It usually takes more time to pull quantitative results from large numbers of people. A survey involving only 5 people would be best structured to yield qualitative results and would be better suited to ask questions which are of a fill-in-the-blank sort of nature. If a survey sent to 5 people was structured quantitatively, it would run the risk of yielding results which could be incomplete or not on par with actuality. Question number 2, the persona question. Some stakeholders argue that user personas are just made-up fictional characters. How would you convince a product manager that creating a persona is a necessary step before we start designing? So early in the stages of development, projects are more susceptible to fizzling out because they recklessly pursue the billion-dollar idea. This can cause a lack of empathy with regard to the very customers that are building the billion-dollar, who the idea is being built for. It's crucial to keep in mind that the customer is the king/queen/driving force, which ultimately leads to a concept succeeding or failing, that is, making money or losing money. In order to keep the customer at the forefront of the development, user personas are a powerful tool which can help align the development with the needs of the people they are developing for. And last question, when looking at a customer journey map, you usually track the user's emotion, the curve that is. Why does that matter? How does a dip in that curve translate to a specific design feature? Monitoring the curve of the user's emotion can yield very valuable insights and even potentially save a concept from failing. Identifying the times when the user is least satisfied can lead to improvements in design. A dip in the curve can indicate a specific area which needs to be improved before it gets shipped. And that's all for today. Bye bye.